A lot of things went on between age 17 and 40. A lot of things and continually getting worse.
And I was in the car praying and I was like, God, like this is scary, please help. As soon as we come to Dr. Reiner's office, she looks at me and says, it's okay. People can try to understand, but unless you're in that person's vision, I recently feel like people need to be more educated on this condition.
And it's so nice to be with the people like from Detroit said. It's so nice to be with you people that already know what I've gone through. You've gone through it yourself.
I've gone from nothing. Nobody in the world knows what keratoconus is. There's a whole room full. Very emotional.
This keratoconus event was way bigger than I ever imagined. We had so many people here and so many supporters and people that didn't understand what was happening to them, people that didn't understand what was happening to their loved ones, and then they got to learn more about it from our doctors, but really more from each other. The best part of the event is the people talking to each other and sharing their stories and saying, hey, that happened to me and this is what I've gone through, and that is more powerful than anything. I'm seeing people exchange phone numbers and emails, and that is really cool, and that's why we need to keep this going. I want to make sure there's more advocacy. Obviously, we're putting together this video so we can share with people about it, but we're also going to make sure that this is an annual event. This was our first. Get ready for our 5th and 8th and 20th annual event on this, because it is near and dear to my heart, and we almost ran out of tissues because the emotions were so high. But I'm thrilled. I'm going to be thinking about this for the next 365 days, because this is what I am passionate about, devoted my career to, and I'm not going to stop.